Hi everyone, this is Shell, the Grateful Mommy. It's been a while since I made a video review. There's so many things and so many changes going on in my life right now. And I'm just so grateful that I got this opportunity to test and review this whistling tea kettle from Chef's Limited. It's a nice black color and it has a silicone handle which prevents you from getting burned when the handle is too hot, and it has a tight fitting lid and prevents the heat from coming out when you're in the process of boiling water. And the spout has a lid, so this is like to control the water that's coming out of it. And the only thing that is I didn't like about the kettle is that it gets easily scratched. So I got several scratches, so you have to be very extra careful when scrubbing the outside board. Make sure that you use a soft sponge so that it won't scratch the outer surface of the kettle. So I'm really liking this because it has a whistling sound, most especially when I'm out of the kitchen. You can just hang out in the kitchen, wait for the water to boil. So it makes a soft and pleasant whistling sound, which lets me know that the water's already boiled. And also, I'm trying to boil it right now. I wanted to show you the bottom, but it's really thick, so it works really well with my stove, and it doesn't stick. That's the important thing. It doesn't stick on my ceramic stove, which I really like. And I love the design because it's very modern and sleek. So I'll just show you later on once it whistles. Yay! So much fun! The water is boiling! So that's the sound that it makes. Just took it a few minutes for the water to boil, like maybe less than 5 minutes. I didn't really put a lot of water in there, so it's boiling and I need to turn off the heat. Listen to how it whistles. And this isn't, wow, I'm so amazed because this one doesn't feel hot at all. So be careful with the steam coming out. Then I'm just gonna pour this on my cup of green tea. And there you go, guys. This is the whistling tea kettle from Chef's Limited. I give this 4 stars. I give this 4 stars because the outer surface isn't scratch proof, so that's okay. But it does everything. It functions really well. It does whistle when it boils. It has this heat resistant cover. The lid closes really tightly, and the bottom is really thick. So there you have it, the whistling tea kettle from Chef's Limited. And by the way, I have to disclose that I received this product for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, have a great day. Bye.